In this video, I will tell you about right block and global block tools. So in this case, we have this simple drawing and all of these components are made with simple geometries and none of them are block. As you can see here, we don't have any block here in this insert window also. Now, if you want to select any of these objects and if you want to make a separate drawing from that selected objects of this drawing, you can do that using the right block tool. To make this clear, I'll go to this insert tab and now here in the block definition panel, click on this create block and select this right block option. Now you'll see this right block window. Now here you need to select the objects that you want to write. In this case, I'll select this objects option. Now select the pick point and click at a point. In this case, I will write this insulator and I'll convert it into a simple geometry or a simple drawing. So I'll select this point as the base point. Now click on select objects and now select the objects which you want to write in a separate file. So in this case, we only want to write this complete set of objects. So I'll select it carefully. Okay, and here we have this selection set. Now this part of the geometry will be converted into a separate drawing. Now press enter and now we have 83 objects selected. Now specify the destination. In this case, I'll select desktop as the destination. So I'll go to desktop and I'll give it a name. So I'll name it as insulator and now click on save and click on OK and the drawing has been saved as a separate file. So let's check it. So I'll minimize this drawing and here we have this insulator drawing. So let's double click on this and you'll notice that only that part of the drawing has been written as a new insulator drawing. So that is right block feature. And in this case, this object is simple geometry. It is not converted into a block. So let's now close this insulator drawing and I'll also close this demo drawing which I have used. Now I'll open a completely new drawing and let's go to home tab, and in this case you will notice that we don't have any object, we don't have any block here. Now in this case, if you insert any external drawing, it will be inserted as a block, so we will insert it. So in this case, I'll go to this insert tab once again and now I'll select this insert option. So now this will open the common insert window which we have already seen, but in this case we don't have any block here as you can see here, but we have an option of browsing the drawing. So click on this browse option and now locate the drawing which we have saved. So I have saved this insulator. So let's select it, click on open and with the default values click on OK. And now you'll notice that we have this drawing here and the cursor is on the base point which we have selected while writing this drawing. So click here and now it has been inserted as a block. In this case, this is the base point which we have selected while writing this block, and the name of block will be the name of drawing file. In this case, the name of drawing file was insulator. So we have inserted this complete drawing which is a global block, and that global block is inserted in our drawing. So when I go to this insert option, you'll see that we now have an insulator block. And when I click on this again, we have this instance or this reference of the original insulator block and we can insert it now. So in this way, we can write certain part of the drawing as an external file, and we can also insert a complete drawing as global block in our current drawings.